Subaru Ascent. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system, because what happens to these vehicles is starting to hit the rims on these type of vehicles and breaking the glass, and that will fire off the alarm. That's how it will work now when we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. Now, if somebody bangs in the window or they try to bust out the lug nut locks, which we'll get to the tires in a second. Let me go ahead and arm it to speed it up. When you arm the alarm, factory alarms have a delay. They take about 30 seconds to engage. If you have one of these cars or any type of car that has that you want to see if you have a factory alarm system, put the driver's window down, hit lock, give it like a minute just to make sure that the factory alarm is armed. You're gonna reach in and just pull the lever and open the door from the inside and see if the horn starts honking. If it does, you have a factory alarm, and then yes, you can get a shock sensor added on to the factory alarm. I'm gonna get ready to hit this tire here, and that will trigger the alarm. And that will turn it off. So right now, yeah, when these cars come from stock, you can pretty much destroy the whole car from bumper to bumper. As long as you don't open any of the doors, nothing's gonna fire off in the middle of the night and wake you up and get you out there. So yeah, the shock sensor add-on is pretty much a crucial update to these vehicles, or any car that has factory alarms that are in danger for rims and tire theft, or if you just want to beef up the security a little bit. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do come out to you. We have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video. And by the way, if you're out of state and you want to get this done, and you can still give us a call and we can guide you.